Hey there, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make a YouTube script and video very easily with AI tools. Only 15 minutes in enough to create a video. You don't need to show your face and voice. This can be the perfect option. You can start your second job as YouTube creator. I'll be using ChatGPT for making script, a powerful tools that can help you write script and blog post. So what I'm gonna do, I can just write suggest me 10 fruit tips for YouTube channel. Now hit enter. Now it's giving me the 10 fruit tips for YouTube channel. So it's giving me. Then what I'm gonna write, I'll write give me 10 minutes script about. I can choose one of them and I can say the best seasonal fruit, and here this one, and paste in there. What I'm gonna do for YouTube channel, I can just say and hit the enter. Now you can see is giving the script. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing the importance of eating fruits and that are seasonal and which fruits are currently in season. Seasonal fruits is not only the idea like this, so it is however it's working. So what I'm gonna do, I'm use the new tab and use the Picture AI for creating the video. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm just copy it first the script from here, Ctrl C and click on that. Then here click on the Picture video marketing made easy Picture AI, click on that and go to the free trial and use the continue with Google. So continue, I'm using it's take the several time to use. So in there you can see it's script to video and article to video and edit video to using text and a visual to video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just proceed it and paste the script, and here you can see the script. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the proceed and I'm gonna choose the template. So let me click one of them, like if I use this one and select, then choose an aspect ratio, so continue with this one. Then it takes the time to proceed, so you have to wait for some time to finish this process. Then here when it's come out, so it's say, and you can see the hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. It's with the script. Then what I'm gonna do, and here in the down you can see the automatic scene and it says the background. And so what I'm gonna do, go to the audio, and from the audio you can use the background music, and here just click on the apply and use the background music, and you can also use the voiceover. So click on that and choose one of them, so you can also filter it. And like if I use this one and use hit on the apply, now it's apply. And you can also use like the background music, so where the duration, so you can use the until like the 7 minutes or 10 minutes, so you can use and use the apply, and it will come up to your video. Okay, then you can also choose the different voiceover and you can edit the background. So now I'm going to use the just preview, preparing video preview.
Hi
So,
everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
yeah, so you can do the one by one here the scene, and also you can use and you can also edit with your fruit, and you can change the your script if you want. So it's very easy. Then what can you do, you just go to the download, click on download and use the video, and here preparing your video for download, so it will take the time to download it. It's downloading. So is since it's created, now it's generating videos. Here is the 41 video, so it's coming with the video. So it's take the time to generate, and is taking also video generated and uploading the video. Now you can just do your video is now ready, so just you can go to the download, it will come up to your download and you can see it. Okay, And finally videos is saved under my project, so you can use. Then what I can do, I can use the next for editing. Let me wait for the download and then I'll show you how it is done. Then it's done. Hit on the open and
Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
so
Today,
it's
we'll be
working like this.
discussing the importance of eating fruits that are in season and which fruits are currently in season. Eating seasonal fruits is not only healthier but also beneficial.
Okay, finally we made a video for easy and quickly daily. You can create one video and create passive income. How was the tutorial for creating YouTube videos easy with the IL tools? ChatGPT is powerful tools for creating engaging script for YouTube videos and also other content creation. Now you can try to create your own YouTube video. Also there are many things you can do with ChatGPT and other tools. Next time I'll come up with logo creation video with other ICE tools. Don't miss it for your passive income. Thank you for enjoying our video. Make sure subscribe to our channel.